And they start with a horrible snap all the way back to the 2-yard line, and the Browns bounce it into the end zone where they wind up with a touchdown.
That's it. Literally the first play of the game, and everything has been fun. Now, I wanted to delay this because I wanted to cool off, get my thoughts in order, and be rational. To think I thought this team had a chance to do something earlier in the year. I'm not angry because they choked against the team we always called our page. I'm angry because this feels like deja vu. The same goddamn shit that occurred in 2017. Great season, a bunch of huge question marks, arrogance in players, talking shit, and then suffering a catastrophic meltdown to end the year. You happy? You become a meme. 11-0, right? Losing? Never heard of her. All the TikToks and dancing on the fucking midfield logos? That's what you want to be known for? Anyone who followed the Steelers saw massive issues, but it seemed like no one on the team cared. Well, now you should. Cleveland, do your victory lap and talk your shit. You earned this. You put Pittsburgh right back in their place. Time to get my axe again. Ben. I know a lot of people love you in this city. I know I've probably been far too harsh on you in the past, but there comes a time when shit has to end. Watching this man play has become fucking depressing. Like the corrupt king in his twilight before he's about to be poisoned by the court jester. It's a hard topic to accept, yes. Ben was a great quarterback, but now he's a massive liability. He's lost his greatest assets as a player. They've changed the offense to better suit his declining abilities. Yet he still has way too much power on the team. How many rest days does this guy get a week? I get he's banged up, but sometimes the body has its limits. We're seeing this man's end, yet he's going to be owed $41 million next year. If this man is back under center, you might as well write off 2021. Don't give me the argument about his stat padding in the wildcard game. He was playing a backup secondary, playing prevent defense in literal garbage time. This isn't Ben. That one is gone. Accept it. This is gonna get me killed, but I honestly don't feel bad if it's his last game. It happens to all athletes. Past sins have come due, baby, and the gods want you to pay up. Look, you're gonna end up in Canton, but you're done. Now fuck off!
Well, it's a shotgun formation for Baker. He's gonna give it to Kareem Hunt, and he's got a first down. He's got a touchdown! Way to go! Woo! 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 Yeah, touchdown! Yeah, touchdown! That's right! 27 to fucking nothing! Way to go! Good job! Congratulations, you fucked it! You fucked it so hard, it's now 9 months pregnant by proxy. Good job! Way to go! Way to go! Way to go! Way to go! Hey, maybe we can make a Pittsburgh sandwich out of the puke and Fort Beacus that comes out of it. Way to go!
It's the long-anticipated opening of the Chargers in LA. Let's see how the locals are But in all seriousness, this is a new Charger team. Antonio Gates just broke the touchdown record for tight ends. Miami pulled a boner and called a timeout to allow the Chargers to kick the game-winning field goal. Last week was a fluke. They are going to send all of these Dolphins fans home empty-handed. On the way.
Fuck you, Spanos! Fuck you and your saggy puss-infested ass!
Once we hit the field, it's blocked. It's blocked. It's blocked. It's
Yes!
blocked. They're running it back.
Rika, go! Go, Rika! Do your shit! Rub out your clock! Get that ball! That's a touchdown! Oh,
There's a flag. Please be offsides. Please be offsides.
Please be offside!
Please be offside.
No offside!
Please be offside.
No offside!
Oh God.
Please no!
Oh God.
No offside!
No. No.
Please be offsides. Please be offsides.
Please be offsides. Yes.
No,
I agree. Please be offsides.
Shit.
Please be offside. Offsides! Yes! Take the terrible towel and shove it up your keister.
Suck my dick, Tom.
Woo! We got Scooter donating $100, saying the Dallas Cowboys will win the Super Bowl. Oh, the Scoots with $100.
Oh, congratulations. You beat the Panthers without
Scooter.
CMC. Have fun with
Oh,
that.
Scoots. Thank God that was offsides. Thank God.
Dude, I would have
Thank
shit
God.
my pants. Block the field goal again.
Do it again.
Please block the field goal again.
Megas with a 20 saying typical series jumping offsides on a field goal.
Fuck.
It's good! With 6 seconds. 6 or 5? 5 seconds? 5 seconds
Fuck
to go.
you, officials.
17 to 10.
Fuck you.
Hey, he
Fuck
jumped
you!
off sides.
He did not jump off sides.
Now we're gonna say we didn't see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna live in my own reality now.
Yeah, you know what? They need to pay us back for Jesse James catching the ball and calling it incomplete. That should have been down at the 1.
They're going to do it! They're going to beat New England! I honestly haven't prepared for this at all. All of the cynicism was for nothing. They're actually going to fucking do it. Holy shit, it's going to happen. They got it! They got it! Oh my god, they got the touchdown! They did it! Let's go! They got a fucking Super Bowl! In your crazy fucking Steelers Rant!
After reviewing the play, the receiver in the end zone did not survive the ground. It's an incomplete pass.
What? What is this fucking debauchery? All of this time and you still don't know what the fuck a fucking catch is anymore than godforsaken leg!
Okay, fine, that was bullshit, but there's still a chance to. Why aren't you going for the field goal? Why is this play completely broken? Oh my fucking god!
What the fucking fuck? This is just fucking bullshit! This fucking great piece of shit, you goddamn...
One final play for salvation.
He's got to find a soft spot in the pocket and move away. And here it is to the end zone, and it's broken up.
The Steelers remain undefeated. Do you know what this means?
Hey, Tree, we've lost 3 straight. Should I be worried?
The Steelers are still going on Super
Seems very rational to me.
Wow. I mean, wow. You are pathetic. Like, I'm not even surprised by you not making the finals. I knew you were going to choke. But in game 1 of the playoffs... Do you realize what you have just done? This is quite possibly the greatest failure in the history of sports. 62-win season, Art Ross and Hart-winning forward, President Trophy winner, Norris Trophy winner, Lightning in 3! You're pioneers, lads. You're the first team to win the President's Trophy and not win a single fucking game! This is the best comedy on television! Maybe I can find that talent you kept teasing us with in the regular season if I squint at the TV, because I sure as shit can't find it otherwise. But wait, it gets even better. You guys lost to the Blue Jackets! This team hadn't won a playoff series in their existence. I wasn't expecting this to be a cakewalk, but holy fucking shit, did you guys even try to adjust? You had 1 period. Congratulations, you had your time of the month like most women on Earth. Perhaps next time you can learn other basic responsibilities like cleaning up the diarrhea you spewed all over the ice. AP is a fucking idiot who beats his kid. Name redacted. Positive outcome. Players. Football field. Washington football team.
How? How the fuck did you lose? You had the series won, for God's sake! You were a Brad Marchand break away from ending the series in 5! All of the accomplishments you had over the season. 65 wins in the year, the most points and wins in NHL history, a roster that rivals the late 70s Canadiens in talent, the best goalie tandem in the league, an unbelievable all-in push, a team with no goaltending as your opponent, a 43-point difference in season outcome, a 3-1 series lead! We have reached the summit. After years of searching, we have finally found it. The ultimate beam! The Boston Bruins have now become the biggest joke in sports. And they can do nothing about it. All of the records they set, everything they built has been for nothing. They didn't just lose an entirely winnable series when they were given every goddamn chance to win it. They pissed themselves so much it might as well be called the Boston Massacre. They couldn't complete a pass. There were so many goddamn giveaways you think they were Mr. Beast. Linus Allmark morphed into the fucking modern day Swedish Shiv in overtime. And you can't even point the finger at him because he was injured. It wasn't any player in particular, it was the whole fucking team. How? Fucking how? We can't deny the truth any longer. The Bruins are nothing but massive fucking chokers. I am now under the belief that they only won a cup in 2011 because Vancouver outchoked them. This isn't hyperbole. It's been nearly every fucking season for the past 15 years. I'm dead serious, look up their history.
choke after choke after choke after choke, and it keeps fucking happening! The only explanation I have for this one is retribution for trying to sign Mitch Miller. There is literally no other reason for this. How the fuck do they keep doing it? Series they should easily win, they keep blowing like they're Angela White. Socrates, give me the knowledge to understand! There's no way it should be with all this talent! Somebody tell me! Do you hear me? Somebody tell me how they do it! I